Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making a fun family recipe, taco stuffed potatoes. Cheesy, spicy, and delicious. Our recipe today starts by baking 4 russet or baker potatoes. Simply wrap in a single layer of aluminum foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour, or until there's no resistance when pierced with a knife or skewer. Unwrap the potatoes and allow to cool enough to handle. And while the potatoes are baking, it's a good time to prep and cook the hamburger mixture. In a large skillet, cook the ground beef until starting to brown, breaking up the large chunks as it cooks. Once starting to brown, dab out any excess oil with a paper towel. Add diced onion and green pepper and saute for several minutes until just starting to soften. Add the taco seasoning along with water. Stir to combine and cook over medium until most of the moisture has evaporated. Today I'm using a homemade taco seasoning blend, which will be included in the recipe. And now that our potatoes are cool enough to handle, we're going to cut them in half lengthwise. And using a spoon, scoop out the flesh as close to the skin as possible without tearing through it. And it's okay to leave a little bit of flesh attached to the skin. And for today's recipe, I'm only using the flesh of 2 of the potatoes, or 4 halves, but the skins of all 8. But the remaining potato won't go to waste. It makes a great breakfast hash, potato pancake, or can be used in soup. And you want to break up any large potato chunks using a fork, just so all the pieces are bite-sized. Add black beans, corn kernels, the cooked taco meat, and lots of cheddar cheese. Give it all a good toss with a fork. Give it a taste and adjust the salt to your liking. Fill the potato skins generously, slightly packing as you go. Place your filled potatoes onto a baking tray. Now it seems no matter how tightly I pack my potato skins, I always seem to have just a little bit of mixture left. But that's not going to slow us down because it's also great stuffed in a pepper. So cut your pepper in half lengthwise. Pluck out the innards. And just as with the potato skins, we'll stuff them full. And top each with a sprinkle of cheese. Bake in a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes until warmed through and the cheese on top is melted. Serve your taco stuffed potatoes with your favorite toppings such as sour cream, salsa, and green onions. Taco stuffed potatoes are a great family meal, warm and cheesy and packed with all your favorites, black beans, corn, and ground beef. You just can't beat them with your favorite toppings. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.